Hola, this is the aerodynamics of a sombrero today. It's got a Mexican theme. This is actually an urban sombrero. The difference between a regular sombrero and an urban sombrero is that the urban sombrero is a little bit smaller. It's easier to get around cities and that. And we have the flow going from left to right, and the flow is going from 0 to 30 meters per second. As we play, this plane is going through the urban sombrero, and it's a pretty cool wake. So you have flow acceleration over the top of the hat, underneath, which is quite good for your face actually, because it would give you nice cooling there. You don't want to have low velocity around where your noggin is. And the back has a not too bad wake. It actually looks somewhat like a UFO. We did a UFO CFD like a few months ago. And now we have the streamlines. So they start off at the upstream and then they hit the sombrero and then go over. And some of the streamlines get caught in that little circular section. And interestingly, the streamlines are at a bit of an angle upwards. And that's quite cool that we see that on the left side, so its right side of the sombrero, you have a vortex rolling up in one way, and on the other side, it's on the other way. So make sure to like and subscribe this. Check out everything we do for Aerodynamics. Check out the instrumentation we do. Check out the conferences we put on. Check out the courses we have. So peace out, amigos.